Hi, in this series of self-learning video tutorials, we are going to see how to build a simple transactional application using ABAP CDS and Fiori elements. So what we will do first is we will build the a CDS view, and on top of the CDS view, we will uh, add the annotation to create a business object model, which will in turn create a business object using BOPF. And then using the Fiori elements, we will build the application that will have the transactional capabilities such as create, read, update, and delete. So the application that we are going to develop is going to look like what you're seeing on the screen. So the application is going to have the read functionality. So whatever the data that we have in the backend, we're just going to do a read for that. And in order to support the transactional capabilities like create, update, and delete, we are going to generate the BOPF object in which these actions will be carried on. So um, we have an option for create, using which we will be creating the new sales order. Let's say, for example, we call it as this. So we have the create functionality. Then we'll also have the update functionality. And then we'll also have the delete functionality. Either we can delete the record from the object page, or you can also delete it from the um, list report. And then later on, we will also further extend this application with some custom functionality like adding a new custom action or adding a new field and so on. So this is the transactional app that we are going to develop using the ABAP CDS and the Fiori elements. So in the Fiori elements, we are going to use this list report application template in order to create this. So let's go ahead and see how we are going to build this application. So first we will start with our object model by creating a CDS view, and then we will create a business object on top of that. After that, we will be creating our UEFI application.